Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus Ace 2B and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's start with opening the settings, and here in this list we have to find wallpapers and style. Now let's enter the wallpapers section, and here we've got some albums from which you can choose the wallpaper from. So here we've got live wallpapers, which are animated ones, the static options, which are kind of regular photos, and here the album and inventive wallpapers. Let me pick something from the static options, and basically if you want to check the preview of the wallpaper, simply tap on it. So let me maybe pick this one, simply tap, and as you can see, you will be able to see it on the full screen. After tapping on this option, you can either zoom in or out the wallpaper. It's up to you, of course. And basically all you have to do is to tap on apply. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so the lock screen, home screen, or both. And I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. And now we can go back and check. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.